Ever wonder if that app you use to manage your money is actually safe? It's a question we all have, especially when you're entrusting a third party with your most sensitive financial information. And when we're talking about an app like Rocket Money, which links directly to your bank accounts, that question becomes even more critical. So, let's get into it. Is Rocket Money safe to use? First, let's talk about the big picture stuff. Rocket Money is a legitimate and well-known personal finance app. Millions of people use it to track spending, manage subscriptions, and save money. But what are they doing behind the scenes to keep your data secure? The answer is a multi-layered approach that starts with industry-standard encryption. Rocket Money uses AES 256-bit encryption to protect your data, which is the same level of security used by banks and government agencies. This means your information is scrambled and virtually unreadable to anyone who isn't authorized to see it. But the real key to Rocket Money security is how it connects to your bank accounts. They don't store your banking login credentials on their servers. Instead, they partner with Plaid, a highly respected and secure third-party service that many of the biggest fintech companies use. When you link your accounts, you enter your credentials through Plaid, which then provides Rocket Money with an encrypted token. This token allows Rocket Money to view your transaction data without ever having access to your actual login information. It's like giving someone a special key to look at your mail without giving them the key to your house. Beyond the technical stuff, Rocket Money also has other protections in place. They offer two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access, and they host their servers on Amazon Web Services, a secure data storage provider used by major institutions like the Department of Defense. They also have a clear privacy policy, stating that they do not sell your personal data. While all of these security measures are robust, it's important to remember that no system is completely immune to cyber threats. It's always a good practice to use a strong, unique password for your Rocket Money account and to enable two-factor authentication. Regularly monitoring your bank statements is also a smart move, no matter what apps you're using. So, to summarize, Rocket Money is safe to use. It employs bank-level encryption, partners with a trusted third party for account linking, and has clear privacy policies. They've built their platform with security as a priority, but as with any financial app, your own vigilance is an important part of the equation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.